Hello guys, it's Haracross here, and welcome to a new Minecraft Let's Play video. Today we're gonna be doing a building Let's Play. And here's my chest full of stuff right in here. Hey, where's my shovel? I'm gonna need that. So if I go in the chest, I'm gonna take these iron doors, so that's what I'm gonna start with first. And we're gonna have to craft iron. I know it looks like sewer doors. Yeah. Oh no! I have to pickaxe that down. At least I can do one there, and then one here. So let's take a pick and mine that. I think I don't need these 2 apples. Really? Your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. And shut up and then. And me, she said, oh, shut up and dance with me. Sorry guys, I was singing. Victims of the night. Kryptonite. I get together. She took my hand. I don't know how it happened. What to say? What to do? Only. She said, and then she said, oh, shut up and then she said, Rusty, get this straight. So we're making a repair shop first. I mean, there's usually like the house first. No, not for me. So I'm gonna get some wool, and I'm gonna get some stone bricks and some. Hey, I didn't get. I'm gonna get my a set of bricks. Okay, so then okay. Soon I'll be putting up a FIFA Let's Play to start from the beginning. I mean, it's the Haracross family channel. I mean, sometimes you're gonna be seeing things. I'm probably gonna be on like family profiles, just my dad's, cause that's like my main FIFA profile. So, this probably will be a 10-minute video. Just warning you. If you want a longer one, how to build a repair shop, I think a YouTuber named Jthe Gaming. If you watched him, hopefully you subscribe to him. He does some of the building I do. He gets me entertained to make that build. Sometimes I copy him, and sometimes I go on Stampy Longnose. The greatest YouTubers I like. I went on his channel, and one time I copied the police station. His police station, I copied it in my Diamond to Glory world. Like, I had Diamond Gold, and I really liked playing in creative at that time. I'm like more like a survival man now. Like, that's what I'm like. I mean, I changed since then. Because since then, I didn't like survival. Because I either will play in peaceful, or I won't go that far in easy. Because I really don't like playing with mobs. And then I soon realized that you're gonna need mobs to get achievements, such as Archer. So I mean, that changed my Minecraft history. I mean, if you think that's a joke, leave it down in the comments. I want to hear all your guys' jokes and stuff. And please, guys, if you've seen D-Star and you subscribe to him, please unsubscribe. He's my friend and all, but he kicked me. And yes, he has an Xbox profile. And if you can see the screen, I can show you how many friends he has. 72. So you can still be his friend. But if you watch this video late, you're probably not going to get to be his friend. So you better watch the video quick. And guys, usually I'll get done really quickly. But I can't go this fast like holding like this. So there'll probably be 4 parts to this. And I'll see you later. Bye guys! And hopefully subscribe to all my YouTubers I like. Boy! Boy! Bye! Na 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 na. Boy, and subscribe to Road Shaw and Cal Freezy if you want more FIFA 15.